Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the host machine ready. Open Chrome, update it, and install the Chrome Remote Desktop Host. Once installed, sign into your Google account and enable remote connections so the computer accepts incoming sessions. Make sure to set a secure 6-digit or longer PIN. This authorizes access each time. While you do that, note the host name and session availability. These are what you'll use from the client device. This first step establishes secure, persistent access for later connections. Now, on your client device, you open Chrome Remote Desktop or the web portal and locate the host machine in the My Computers list. Click Connect, then enter the host PIN you created. This authenticates the session. Once connected, configure session settings, choose Display Resolution, enable Clipboard Sync, and toggle File Transfer so you can copy files. If you plan to control audio or multiple monitors, switch those settings before you start. These middle steps shape performance and workflow for a smooth remote session. To finish, close apps, use the Chrome Remote Desktop toolbar to end the session, and confirm the host locks for security. If the connection drops or fails to start, check the host's power, local network, firewall rules, and Chrome's privacy permissions. These are the usual culprits. Once done, if you still see authentication errors, reset the host PIN or reinstall the host component to clear corrupted settings. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPN or proxy to isolate networking issues before making deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.